Traders, Anthony here. I want to introduce you to it's a new indicator. It's actually an old indicator that we've revamped. This one here, PHL we call it. It's a previous level look back. That's basically what it is. What it gives us is key institutional levels on the higher time frame. It's going to show yellow, orange and white dotted lines. Okay, this is the London Open. This is the New York Open. Now, these are the two key times that we're looking for an opportunity. What we wait for is this in a bearish situation, this red dot, around the London Open or around the New York Open. And we're going to keep an eye on, see this line back here and this yellow line here. We're going to keep an eye on these lines. So what we're looking for is stop run. And that's exactly that. And this indicator gives us these institutional levels. So what I'll do here is just extend this. So we will look to upgrade the indicator so that this historical level here gets extended across. Let me just grab this and I'll show you this strategy. It's very high probability. What we want in an ideal situation is we want to see the dot and we want to see that it's pushing up with a vengeance, okay, with strong momentum through the level and then strong momentum to the downside. If you miss this entry here, you catch it over here and that's your trade. Most likely this is going to displace, creating an imbalance, a bearish imbalance with this thin candle, and it's going to look to rebalance generally into the New York Open. But this is the opportunity, that's the signal, that's the level we want to see compromised, stop run, and here's our opportunity. With the trend channel indicator, we actually have levels. They give us pretty much the same, but they go back a little bit further if that makes any sense. This indicator here will give us most recent levels. There's a couple of things with this. You can trade trend continuation or counter trend. Now this is a trend continuation. This is the daily in 4H and these are the higher time frames, predominantly red. So we're looking for the red signal and we want to see either a yellow, orange or white dotted line here, traded through, that's a stop run. So that's the trend continuation. This one was sent to VIP last night. This was the Swiss yen. Right, we had the London Open, this blue line here. Then we had a couple of dots, but the thing to note here is we've got the institutional level, but we've also got another one here. Now, you want to give it a little bit of time to see if both of these, this one and this one, this range is compromised. So we've got a red dot here, it's pushing up. I'm waiting to see, generally when we see two of these together, they're going to reach a little bit further. And that's what we got last night. We traded this. In fact, I was a little bit late with my entry. We got in around here. And I had a very nice outcome with that. And this one, of course, it's a bit of a mixed bag. It's not a trend continuation. At this point here, if you look down here, there's no bar and it's predominantly green. So this is a counter trend trade. It's a higher risk with a counter trend trade. And the other trade we took yesterday off this strategy was the Kiwi yen. Posted them into Telegram. I did videos on this last night. So we've got two levels, one here and another one here. Into the London Open, we get the Asia range, bit of a fake out down here, and then a shakeout. So this is the red dot alert that fires in our alerts log over here. And we can see that this line, this yellow line here and here are both compromised. Again, I'll make it clear that if you see two of these together, wait for this one because that's generally where they're going to take it. That's a liquidity grab and look at the trade we got out of it. Right, so we've got these yellow, orange and white lines, both the trend channel, there it is there, see the yellow line under, and this one here. So we really want to take notice of these lines. I mean, I could run up and down here randomly. Let's just click on that. Have a look and see what we got. Look at this. That's your opportunity. That's your opportunity. It's a bit of a mixed bag. This one we don't have a clear trend. We've got two green and two red down here. But I guess if you see where this yellow line is traded through, that's an opportunity. This one, well, yeah, I mean, it pushed right through down into this one. I would have let that one go, given that we've got a yellow line right here. So I would prefer to see that traded through. See down here, this yellow line? I would have preferred to see that broken, and then I would have taken that trade potentially. Just run up and down here and I'll just click, okay, there's one, New Zealand Swissy. This is a bullish market. You see here, this is perfect strategy. We've got the London Open, green dot, but here we've got 1, 2, and then an orange line. It didn't quite push through these guys. Okay, so I mean, you know, you can enter and set pending orders down through here. Look at the outcome. So we've got the green 4-hour and daily meet our criteria, and then we've got the higher time frames agreeing. This is clearly a stop run. We've got the Asia range into the London Open, and then we get this stop run through the London Open down into the Asia close. Nice bullish outcome, guys. Gain access to the indicators. We're going to be working with this extensively moving forward. This is key to our strategy. Gain access to VIP, our Telegram signals. I'll show you the signals in Telegram. Here's Telegram. We had a couple of signals last night. That's the outcome. But I did these videos, but you're going to get entry, stop loss, TP levels. Here we end. That was our trade. And of course, going back, excellent signals. You get a snapshot. This is one of my prop firm accounts that I'm manually trading, and I'm actually switching over to my Trade Copy Master account. I'll be doing most of the trades on that. I've got an EA on that as well as manual trades on the Trade Copy Master account. To show you this quickly, well, first of all, go here to the store to gain access to the indicators, TradingView, Telegram signals, and my tutorials, members only tutorials. Over here, we trade your Forex account. This is an incredible opportunity. We've made some major changes in the last little while. This is a widget you can click on, have a look at the growth, but you can connect your Forex account to mine. We've nearly doubled the account twice. So on this page here, FX Blue, what you get here is the balance. So this is withdrawing my original deposit so that this is now 100% risk-free. I encourage everyone to do that. Click on here, go to cumulative profit. That's the actual profit curve. We've spent a bit of time over the last month through this period here, shifting gears in a big way. We've got a number of prop firm accounts connected to this, and we needed to work on risk setting. So we've now reduced the drawdown. I'm looking at a maximum of 2%. Could push a little higher than that, but prop firms generally have around a 5% threshold, so we want to keep well and truly under that. So that's what we've worked on over the last month or so, shifting gears to reduce risk. Now we have a completely revamped EA, lower risk settings, looking for better setups. I think you're going to find that this is going to be an interesting journey moving forward. Come back and watch it over the next month. I think you'll see some interesting results. And yeah, I mean, by all means, join. So there's info on the trade copy. We trade your FX, and yeah, go to the store. Jump on board, guys. This is a ridiculously low investment for what you get. I started trading the stock markets back in 2002. I took my money out of the stock markets and converted everything over to Forex. I've been a full-time Forex trader since around 2016. I do this for a living. Join me on this journey. So guys, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.